Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we're dropping in on Rollercoin and we're going to be checking out the 2 million user event, and I've also got a payment proof for you as well, so keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see, we are in my Rollercoin account, and the last time we did a video was about 2 weeks ago. And just running through the numbers, 2 weeks ago, our bonus percentage was at 106.5%. We were in 91st place. We had 43.373 petahashes. You can see we've now got 48.640 petahashes. And we were actually earning 94 sats per block. So as you can see, certain things have changed, which we will get into. First, I just want to sort of apologize that this video was not brought to you guys yesterday when the event actually started. Basically, I spent all morning waiting for the event to start, and it just didn't, and Rollercoin launched it later on in the day, but by which time it was too late to get this video done and ready and basically posted for you guys. So we're sort of recapping over it today, although I'm not 100% sure if it's actually over. So for those of you that have the lower accounts and free accounts, you might want to just check out the giveaway because that might still be on. Okay, so for those of you that might be interested in that giveaway, let's go and check that out just in case it is still running. Now, if you went in here, as I did, I was lucky enough to have enough RLT to be able to purchase one of these 800,000 gigahash miners, which is not the 2 million miner. Now, the 2 million miner, as you can see, is completely separate, but it's basically they decided to launch two unique miners. One you could purchase straight away, which is what I did, and then the other one you had to enter into the giveaway to be one of 1,000 people that, or one of 100 people that could receive a 2 million miner. I wanted to get the other miner anyway, but also the great thing with that is that by purchasing it, it automatically entered my account into the giveaway for one of those 100 2 million miners. Now, I was a little bit torn with this. On one hand, I kind of wished that like when they reached the 1 millionth user milestone, they just allowed you to purchase the 1 millionth miner. So in one sense, that's what I wanted this time, because really, I know it sounds a bit weird, but obviously two petahashes is very nice, but also as well, I just sort of wanted to add it to my collection to go with my 1 millionth miner. But on the other hand, I think it's great that they've done it as a giveaway, because that means that not only people with the higher accounts have a chance of getting one, but you guys, oh, excuse me, but you guys out there with the lower accounts, if you enter into the giveaway or have entered into the giveaway, also stand a good chance of winning one of those 2 millionth miners. And it would be great to hear if any of you out there have a lower account and you win one of the 2 millionth miners, please post below this video. I would love to see a few of my viewers and subscribers getting those big miners to help boost their accounts. It would be absolutely excellent. I will be very jealous, but it'll be absolutely excellent. Okay, so for the giveaway, if you do want to enter into it, this is basically the criteria. So you've got to basically do all these. A lot of people on Facebook are coming out, seem to be posting what is the secret code. So the fact that they've not told people what this secret code is to obviously finish off the last bit of the giveaway, I'm guessing it's still on. So if you haven't entered already, get on over to your Rollercoin account and go through all these different sections, building up your points, and then just wait for this secret code. The other reason why I think that the giveaway is still running is because if we look here, it says the giveaway will be made as soon as all Roller Family miners are sold out. This is the Roller Family miner. These sold out yesterday, ages ago, hours ago. Like I say, yesterday they sold out. So the fact that they've not announced the winners makes me think that this giveaway is still on. So like I say, get yourself into your account, go into the giveaway section in here, go through the process, and cross fingers you will be one of the lucky people to get one of those 2 millionth miners. That is going to give you 2 petahashes straight into your account, plus a 9% bonus. The other unique miner, it gave a 4% bonus and 800 gigahashes. It's not quite the same as 2 petahashes with a 9% bonus. So like I say, get yourself into your account and follow those giveaway instructions. And for those of you that are not familiar with what Rollercoin is all about, but think it looks like a fun and interesting way to earn yourself some free crypto, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link in the description to an earlier review. Now that's going to give you a lot more information and more detail on what you need to be doing to get your accounts up and running and get yourself earning some of them free coins. Okay, so yes, obviously 4% of that 222 has come from the Rollercoin family miner, as I think they've called it. But a few days ago, excuse me, they refilled the parts section. So if we go into here, and we got the parts, and you got all your legendary, your rare, and your common parts. They refilled them all. It seems that on a Thursday, or like very early Thursday, these are getting refilled every week now. These are getting refilled every Thursday. But of what I've noticed is, I don't know if it's once a month. On a Friday, they are refilling the parts as well. So just keep an eye out on that. I know my man, Bill Carter, who I've mentioned many times in my videos, he was saying the other day that he thought that the that the parts in general got filled up at the same time as the weekly sales, I think he thought. But I think what it is, it's once a month. They're refilling them the day after. So like I say, every Thursday they're doing the weekly offers, and then I think once a month on a Friday they're refilling the parts. Anyway, I was very lucky and I came in here and all the parts were there. All the legendary parts, all the rare parts, all the common parts. And what I did is, if we go into my collections, basically a couple of my Santa miners, I basically turned into 1-star miners. I got a couple of these in the I think I got these in the weekly offers. I turned them into 1-star, that into a 1-star, that into a 1-star, and basically we're working through it. And remember that when the next season, I think it is launched, there will be the ability to then upgrade your miners to a 2-star miner. It's not happening until the next season, but if you've already got a few at 1-star, then there is the ability to get them up to 2-star from next season, I believe. Also, something else that Bill did point out is, and the reason why I didn't turn all of my Santa Sleigh miners into 1-star by boosting them up to the 1-star, is that Bill has pointed out, and he's very right, that if you turn all of your miners into 1-star, you lose the initial bonus. So yes, you get the extra bonus from turning them into 1-star, but if you turn all of them into 1-star, then the original bonus, which might have been 2% on this one, I think it was, or whatever, you lose that. But if you keep at least one of each miner, you'll have the initial bonus, but then you'll get the added bonus from turning the others into single-star miners. So just bear that in mind. Don't turn all of your miners into single-star miners. Make sure you hang on to at least one of each of those standard miners, or the miners at a standard level, to keep all of your bonuses intact. Because yeah, and I say Bill pointed that out. I actually think I sort of alluded to it, but I wasn't aware of it. The fact that I'd actually upgraded a load of my miners, and then I noticed I'd lost 1% off my bonus power. I pointed it out in a video like 2 or 3 videos ago, and I had no idea why. And then Bill came out with this, and I realised that that is absolutely correct. So if we go in here, you can see that I've got no end of these gold miners. So I will try and turn all of them into single star, and then when I can, into double star. But I need to keep at least one as a standard miner, just to hang on to that initial bonus. I know I've probably repeated that now about 5 times, but I just want to make sure you guys don't make that mistake and end up losing some of your bonus. Okay, so, and the other thing in connection with the changing of miners. Now, I don't know if this was just coincidence, but like I said at the beginning, 2 weeks ago, my bonus was at 106.5%. I was in 91st place, and I was earning 94, nearly 95 Satoshis per block. When I upgraded all the miners I did to the single star, my sats dropped. And the weird thing was, at the time, my position hadn't dropped. I was still at 91st place, and I stayed at 91st place for a few days, until people obviously passing me. But my Satoshis dropped immediately after I upgraded those miners to the single star. So I don't know if that is just a coincidence. I don't know if Rollercoin are being a bit slightly dodgy behind the scenes, in the sense, so you're not just, upgrading all your miners and your sats are absolutely flying through the roof per block. I think it ended up at about 83 or 82 from 94. And then obviously I bought my the miner for the 200 million, and I've gone back up to 84. So, but I'm still nowhere near 94. But admittedly, I am now at 96th place. So it could just be me picking up on something that wasn't really there. But like I say, my sats definitely dropped immediately after I did those upgrades. Or that merging, the merging of the miners is what it is. But yet my position stayed the same. So If anybody else can clarify that, if you've noticed it, again, stick it in the post below this video. Always great conversational points, topics for you guys to chat about, and us and myself to get involved with. And even if it's not that, any questions at all, any queries, whether positive or negative, stick below this video or any of my videos. I love the back and forth we have as a community. We help each other out, all that kind of stuff. So keep it up. I'm loving it, absolutely loving it. And the great thing is we're actually getting very close to another really big milestone. We're edging towards that 10,000 subscribers, which is blowing me away. I mean, I know I've had my channel for quite a while, but over the last few years, you guys have just been supporting me massively, and I'm just getting more and more subscribers and new viewers all the time, and I'm really thankful for it. Okay, so finally, if we dive into our wallet, we go to Bitcoin, we go to history, and you'll see here on the 19th of January 2022 we withdrew 169,000 BTC, and if you look to the left of the screen, you can see there that is a shot of my mobile wallet, and we received that 169,000 BTC on the 25th of this month. So that's what, 6 days after we made the withdrawal. And Rollercoin do say it can take up to 10 days, or at least they used to say it can take up to 10 days to receive a withdrawal. So we got it in 6, so that's in plenty of time. So as always, if a program's paying, then it's working. And you know, Rollercoin are still trying to push this program forward. And just on a final note, they have said as well that there are more giveaways coming. So keep an eye out for that. There are more giveaways, there are more prizes coming very soon. So make sure you watch out for that. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. I hope you found it fun and interesting and helpful. And if you are interested in that earlier video that I talked about, it's probably on your screen right now. So get clicking and get watching. And if you can smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.